Hello people, just wanted to talk to you today. My name is Professor Pip. Welcome to Pip Getterz. What I want to do today is talk to you real briefly about a topic I like to call cocooning. And I don't mean like the movie Cocoon, but what I do mean referring to, let's say, a caterpillar, a worm, inching by inching on a branch, and then becoming this beautiful butterfly that's able to show colors and show its magnificence, and also able to spread wings and pollinate and fly and go other places instead of staying stuck in one place their entire life. Even a maggot turns into a fly. So what I want to do is kind of make that example when it comes to us as people, as humans, how we can go through our own incubation process or our own incubation period and become the best version of ourselves. And I'm only saying that because I experienced it myself. Cutting self from outside distractions so you can grow and mutate. And it's hard to do that when you have outside distractions. And a lot of times, as people, as human beings, and having the want and the need to be around other people, it gets difficult because that's what we are designed to do. So it's difficult, and a lot of times as humans we look at answer to our problems being in somebody else, or the answer being in something else. Something else or someone else is what's going to fulfill me, when in actuality your job is to get to yourself and know yourself so that you make the best decisions when it comes to other people. A lot of us are in relationships or in situations we shouldn't be in. Okay? A lot of us have diets that we shouldn't have, or whatever it is, habits that we shouldn't have, that we put ourselves in. So a lot of times it's necessary to cocoon ourselves or to block ourselves off just to give our minds a reset or our bodies a reset, or to get to know yourself so that you know what you want. A lot of times we end up unhappy because you didn't know what you wanted in the first place. You're upset at your decision, and then you learn later what you don't like. So I think it's important that you study yourself and learn about yourself. Some people miss out on their greatest blessings or their passions or what might make them successful because they never took the time to find out what they really like or they really love or what they're passionate about. So I believe cocooning and staying in that incubation period for your body and your mind and your spirit to mutate and become a higher level version of yourself. I feel like that's very important. And not only that, it's a beautiful thing when you see yourself mutated and becoming this different person, the growth. I'm sure it's painful. I'm sure mutating into something else is painful. All right, just like it would be for the insect. All right, but it's for a reason. Okay? Pain is love. No pain, no gain. So I just want you guys to think about that and think about how maybe you can take time out yourself. Maybe cut certain things off slowly, okay? Or add things that you need inside that incubation. Just say like a baby is in the fetus for 9 months. There are things that a mother has to do to make sure the proper nutrients are delivered to that baby. So while you're in this state, make sure while you're excreting, make sure you're also taking in the proper nutrients of what you need so that you can grow. Not to take too much of your time, I just find that very important. And it's also very personal to me and how much of an impact it can make in your life just by turning the nozzle a little bit. Not to preach too long, I thank y'all for your time, and I'll see you soon.